Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JV'n's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidhyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So students, today we are going to discuss the topic that is imprinting. So this topic comes under the subject behavioral science. So let's start. So there are we have discussed the three types of behavior. The one is the innate behavior or instinctive behavior, and the second is the learned behavior, and third is the complex behavior. So the imprinting have one part in the instinctive behavior, and it can also be a part of the learned behavior. So imprinting, a baby animal that accepts a person initial time is crucial for bonding young ones following their mother. So in a baby, when there is a birth of a baby, and uh, the animals or the persons which are surrounding the baby will accept them as their guardians or the parents. So this is the imprinting. So the initial time after the birth is crucial for bonding young ones following their mother. So after the birth, the initial time is known as the receptive time or the crucial time for the bonding. So for the imprinting behavior, that time is important, and that create the bonding of the young ones for their uh, guardians or their parents. So because a receptive period is a time where it learns something and it accepts the guardians. So that comes in the learned behavior, and because it happens in during the receptive period. Okay. So what is imprinting? So many birds and animals will form strong and exclusive attachment to particular types of object after relatively brief exposure early in life to one of those objects. So this is known as the behavioral imprinting. Okay. So a relatively brief exposure is required for the attachment of the bird or animal to its parent birds and animals. So usually the object of the attachment is a member of its own species. However, the nature of the rapid learning process is such that if the young animal is reared under abnormal conditions, such as if the parent is not there or the mother after the birth is not there, so the imprinting can result in the formation of the bizarre attachments. So whatever the things are present there, the baby will consider them as their parents, and they start following them. So this is a different type of the attachment. So ducklings or the domestic chicks that have been handed reared for the first few days after hatching strongly prefer the company of their human parent to that of their own species. Okay, so if the chicks are there, and the parents or the mother chick mother hen will not be there, and the humans will take care the chick. So the chick will consider the humans as their parents, and they have the strong connection to them. Okay, so the Johnson and policies. They give the neural system that control filial imprinting in precocial birds. Okay, so they hypothesize that the neural system works for the imprinting in the precocial birds. The newly hatched chicks will follow almost anything that has eyes and moves. And after the chick following something, the another part of the brain, analog to the frontal cortex, recognizes and imprints on the individual being followed. So there is an instinct for chicks to follow, and they learn what they are following. Okay, so there are two part of the innate behavior. One is sorry, there are two part of the uh, imprinting behavior. Okay, one part falls in the innate behavior and one part in the learned behavior. So there is a neural system uh, which force them to imprint something, and after the imprinting the chicks or the birds will follow and learn from their instinct. So thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. This session is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidhyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Thank you.